Business ownership in a divorce. If one party owns a business, the first thing we need to identify is, was this established during the marriage? If the business was established during the marriage, it belongs to the marriage. Now, it may not be that simple. Now, once we have a business identified, we have to get to the structure of that business. Is it an LLC, an S Corp, a partnership, sole proprietor? Those things do change because the more owners involved, the stickier things become. Say one spouse has a business with other partners. Well, we have to go look at those partnership agreements. We have to look at the founding documents to identify what you can get access to and what you can't get access to. Ultimately, with any asset, a business is just treated like that. We have to figure out, what is this item worth? So when you're evaluating businesses, there are things such as goodwill, which is the ownership title, in a business. There are actual assets within the office. And then there's like the valuation. What would happen to the business if we remove this spouse? Would it still go on? If so, what's it worth? If it's a company with stocks, that's one way you could evaluate it. There's so many different ways that you can do it, but ultimately what you want to do is you want to get a fair market value of this business. If it was placed on a market and you had a good faith buyer, what would it be worth? That can be used as your valuation. And again, you would look to offset that with other items within the marital estate. So when you're dividing assets in a high net worth divorce, it's really important that you have a legal team that understands the structures of business, that understands the structures of high net worth individuals, so they can create a plan for you to get you in and out of divorce without making things overly complex and complicated. At Reidy Law Office, we know how to do this, and we'd be honored to help you.